We'll guide you through how to get and use walking directions in Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps, and so you want to go and get walking directions somewhere. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you're in a new place and you don't know your way around, like in a new city or on holiday, and so you want to go and know how to walk somewhere. Or you're just going to a new place in your town and city you haven't been before. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and you don't go and skip anything. There are different ways you can go about this, but I'll be showing you the way I like to use in this video. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So you want to come to the bottom right of Maps. There you've got the directions button. It's the green looking button with the arrow in. Tap on it. So by default, it's going to go and start with your current location, but you can actually go and tap there and you can go and change this. So I could go and say I'm starting at, I could type in the Tower Bridge in London. I could go and tap there, or the hotel, wherever you are. And you can then choose where you want to go and walk to. We can then go and select it like so. And now by default, it's going to go and give you the drive. So we aren't wanting that, we want to walk. So you need to come along the carousel here and find the person walking and tap there. And then here it is. We can then go and see the route. You can go and pinch on it to go and zoom in. And you can also go and press preview. And you can also go and press start as well, alternatively, if you're already there and you're using your location. And you can see the route.